Today we're showing you a 2014 Kubota M5140 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA1153 quick attach front end loader. Tractor has just under 700 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations, so it has none of the DPF, none of the DEF, none of the Tier 4 exhaust filtration systems whatsoever. Completely pre-emission engine here, and again just under 700 hours, so very low hour tractor. Tractors is in really nice and clean, very straight tractor. It is not perfect. It's got a couple bumps on it. The front grille here looks like somebody repaired it. You had a little bit of a slit in it the way it looks, and then they repaired that. Top of the hood is a couple minor chips out of the top here. Very minor, but is noticeable if you look at it very closely. Skid steer saw hookup for your bucket connection, 6-foot bucket, and the paint is in really nice shape on the tractor, as you can see. Tires are good, front and back. It's got an LED work light on top of the rollover bar. Telescopic 3-point arms, 540 PTO, has a rear hydraulic hookup back here. Got the scuffs here in the fender. Again, it's not perfect cosmetically, but it is very, very nice. Well above average for a tractor in this age range. I think we got a very small dent right in front of the M there as well. Tractor does have the hydraulic shuttle, which allows you to change direction. Change direction without clutching. 8-speed transmission. You have high-low range, and then 4 gears in each range gives you a total of gives you a total of 8 speeds. Also, your 3-point hydraulic and PTO levers all located directly to the right of the seat. 4-wheel drive engagement lever here to the left of the seat. And as you can see, very clean tractor. Again, the engine is prior to the Tier 4 emission regulations, so it has none of the Tier 4 systems on it. Very clean unit. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We have approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.